Nearly 1,000 local drivers got caught for speeding and paid steep fines. Turns out they didn't have to. The I-Team has discovered hundreds of tickets that wouldn't hold up in court. And as Chief Correspondent Joe Shortsleeve shows us, that's because many speed limit signs may be posted illegally.
Thousands of cars travel this highway every day, a road Chester Chalupowski of Beverly knows well.
I live right there on those condos, so I'm well versed with this stretch of roadway.
But that didn't stop him from getting pulled over for speeding.
52 and a 35.
The officer handed him this, a ticket for $170, a hefty sum. But it didn't sit right with Chalupowski because he claims the speed limit itself was in violation of state law.
You fought back.
Yeah.
And you won.
And I won.
You see, this roadway in Salem is known as the Bridge Street Bypass. It is a brand new highway. And according to state law, before you can post speed limit signs on a brand new highway, you have to do what's known as a traffic engineering study. In fact, the State Department of Transportation says speed limits posted without a traffic engineering study are illegal and unenforceable. That's illegal posted.
They all are.
That's right. He found out that study required by law was not done. So that's the argument he made to a Salem District Court judge and the officer who wrote the ticket.
But I think that Your Honor ought to look into this. They're citing people illegally.
Your Honor, what Mr. Chalupowski suggests is that we make the Bridge Street Bypass Road the Autobahn.
Until the study's done, his opinion doesn't matter.
The judge agreed, and that X under the NR column means not responsible. He was off the hook for the $170. So the I-Team did some digging. We wanted to know how many other drivers got hit with fines on this roadway.
$310.
The I-Team obtained hundreds of pages of citations written by Salem police, and we found in 2010 and 2011, 896 drivers were fined more than $175,000. Salem police say they were just doing their job.
They put up the signs, Joe, and we enforce them.
They're correct. We did put up the signs.
Frank DePola, the state's highway administrator, openly acknowledged to the I-Team a mistake was made.
So you're admitting that by the letter of the law, those tickets are not legal?
Apparently so, yes.
What do you say to the 896 drivers who got these fined as speeding tickets over that 2-year period?
Well, first, I apologize.
Even with an apology from the state, if you're one of those nearly 900 drivers, don't be looking for a refund check in the mail. Just like Chester Chalupowski, you'll have to argue your case in court. As for that traffic engineering study, it's now complete. So if you're on the Bridge Street Bypass in Salem, slow down. For the I-Team, Joe Shortsleeve, WBZ News.